The hopes of good people lead to joy, but weak people can look forward to nothing. Storms come and the weak are blown away, but honest people are always safe. The reward for doing good is life, but sin leads only to more sin. People who listen when they are corrected will live, but those who will not admit that they are wrong are in danger. Anyone who hides hatred is a liar. Anyone who spreads gossip is a fool. The more you talk, the more likely you are to sin. If you are wise, you will keep quiet.